the Oscar goes to Bohemian Rhapsody, Paul Massey, Tim Cavigan, and John Casale.
This is the first Oscar win for this sound mixing team. Paul Massey has 8 previous nominations, receiving his first for his work on Legends of the Fall. Tim Cavigan was previously nominated in this category for Baby Driver, and this is the first nomination for John Casale.
Thank you, Academy. Huge honor. I'd like to thank our producers, Graham King, Dennis O'Sullivan, Ted Galliano from Fox, and our whole sound crew. Thank you. A massive shout out to Brian May and Roger Taylor. Thank you so much for your music and for your collaboration and your support. And I would like to dedicate this to my kids, Sean, Andrew, Sophie, Taylor. I love you all. Thank you.
I want to thank my wife, my kids, Olivia, Joe, Stephen and Gemma, honoured my team, and for this really for Chris Murphy, my boom operator that's put up